how to join a clip inside Adobe Premiere Pro after it was cut. So I can use, let's say, this one, which is the razor tool, make a cut on the video, go back to the selection tool, the arrow, and we can see that there are two separate portions. The clip was split up. Okay, now I can delete that gap, backspace, but how to get rid of that cut there? When the arrow is closed, it's changing to this red special cursor on any direction. Simply right click on it, join through edits. And once again, the clip is one single piece. Now, what if I split it again, Ctrl K is the default hotkey, and I trim off a little bit from it and delete that gap? Now, will I be able to join these two clips once again with the same command? No, it's not available. Join through edits, it's available only when the clip is continuous, so nothing is missing. But in this case, there is something missing from there because I just trimmed it down. I deleted it. But if I cut it once again and use the selection tool, I can go there, right click on it, join through edits, and once again the split is gone.